look at those clouds. It's coming in. It's the first big storm of the season coming in. There's a storm warning out, and I'm getting excited. I'm a ski instructor. We have orientation on Saturday, and it's gonna have snow there for the orientation. It's always so much nicer when there's snow there for orientation because it just gets you in the mood. Now, we have to have 3 feet of snow at the base to open, but there'll be 1 foot there. So I'm getting pretty excited. I'm getting stuff ready to go. There's things I need to buy that I have to buy every year. I go through ski socks like nobody's business because, well, when you teach 5 days a week, you go through the socks real fast. So this season, I'm only going to teach 4 days a week because I've got the grandkids living with me, and I think that we need just that consistency, you know, because Charlotte's working. So I will be taking Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays off, except at Christmas time when we're required to work like every day because it's so busy. I'm going to go buy some stuff, and I'm going to start cleaning up my gear because even though I clean them up at the end of the season, there's dust all over them because it's been 7 months. Well, 7 months since I taught. We did go skiing after our resort closed, but it's still, there's dirt and dust and stuff on my equipment. So it's prep time for the season, and I'm ready. Orientation. It's a sunny day. I don't think we got as much snow as they were projecting we were going to get. I saw on the webcam there was snow on top, but I don't think we got snow down where the lodge is. So I'm sad. But it's a beautiful day. It's the first time, though, since the girls moved in July, that Grandma has had to leave for work. They're used to Mommy leaving for work and Papa leaving for work, and not Grandma. And so I kind of got held on to and couldn't get out the door, and I had to pry fingers off. Bye, Grandma. I said, see you in the afternoon. So anyway, now I'm off to my other fun thing that I do. It's a tradition. I go to the Sugar Shack. I get my thermos full of coffee, and then I head up the hill. Are you hiding? I came this close to hitting a deer just now. He was on the side of the road. It was fine, but I just looked at it and I went, he's going to turn and run across in front of me. And I slowed down. Missed him by that much. Oh my goodness. Well, it's not the pretty snow that we had hoped for, but we're getting there. I left my glasses in the car. Forgot them entirely. And you regular people all know Chris. Headed into the Children's Center to fill out millions of paperwork and to sit and listen to instructions that I hear every year. But it's a good day. I'm excited. Good. Hi. Home sweet home. There's water. So orientation is over. Yay. Papers all signed. Yay. My skis did not pass inspection because the DIN plate cover is missing. And so Bobby has to order me a new cover. It's something this big. And so have to order a new part. But other than that, ready to go. Bring on the snow.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more family fun.